Mike Guggenberger with W. Goldman Construction, Artistic Stone and Concrete. We were actually on the site the day after the tower got hit. We were working on the entryway steps on the other side of the building. So we assessed the damage right away and lined up personnel and lined up getting the removal done, which it was removed last fall. And we took it to our shop and completely rebuilt the tower using the old structure as a pattern. Centrosoda of Wade Park did all the copper work for us. We remade every piece of copper on the entire tower, including the cross, which was the point of impact for the lightning. After all said and done, the new tower, the weight is 1,900 pounds, and it was installed today on June 16th of 2016.